Hi you cutie chips, welcome back to another video. I am so happy to see your beautiful faces once again. Today, before we get started with this video, I want to give a huge thanks to Poshmark for sponsoring this video. I have personally worked with them in the past and I love it. But for today, this video is going to consist of decluttering my beauty room, and I am not physically or mentally prepared to do that because you guys know that I moved all of my studio lighting into my room, and now my beauty room is like a storage. So now that storage is a hot mess and I have to declutter it, arrange everything, and then just I'll just take you guys along with me so I can show you guys. So let's go. Okay guys, I changed shirts because I felt more comfortable in this one. It's a little bit more flowy. So now we are in my beauty room. I actually kind of organized a little bit because I did not want to be embarrassed. It was such a hot mess in here. Like, oh my god, I walked in and I was like, I don't even know where to get started. So I cleaned up a little bit. So I'm going to show you guys some of the things that I decluttered. So I have these two clothing racks, this one and then that one over there. I decluttered them a little bit, so I'm going to show you guys like a haul of what I'm going to be selling on Poshmark. Now before we get started, if you guys don't have Poshmark, you can download it using my link in the description box. It's totally free, so you can go ahead and download it. I'm going to show you guys the pieces that I chose to sell. Now keep in mind, the pieces that I'm selling, if you think they're a little bit too overpriced, you can definitely make an offer because I'm trying to get rid of everything. So if like I put this dress for like 20 and you want to pay like 15, throw in an offer of 15 and then I'll probably take it because I just want to get rid of them, right? So the first piece is this black dress. You can wear this dress whenever you go out with your boo to have a date night or you go clubbing. It's really pretty. I just don't wear it because, like I'm saying, I don't go clubbing or anything, so I don't have any occasions to wear it to. So this is the first piece. Now the second piece right here is this skirt. It's a white skirt. I actually ordered this one, but it was a little too big for me. I think this is a size large, if I'm not mistaken. It's probably a large.
It was too big for you.
Yeah, it was way too big for me. And I just, oh, by the way, Jason's behind the camera if you guys are
What's up, guys?
Talking. So the second one is this white skirt. Really loved it, but it's way too big for me. So you guys can also make an offer on this one. And then, by the way, don't just think that Poshmark offers like whatever I'm selling. You can find Adidas, Nike, Louis Vuitton, and then other name brands. You can definitely go check it out. It's pretty cool. You can find a lot of stuff. And then some of the stuff are like semi-new for like half of the price of the original, so that's really good. And they also have new stuff. They sell like wigs, shoes, anything you can think of, they sell it. And then I'm also putting these leggings, and they have like mesh material here on the side, really pretty. Never worn this, so these I'm not quite sure how much I'm gonna sell them for, but everything is in my closet. The next one, the white skirt didn't fit me because it was too big. Now this one is way too tiny. The waist here just, it goes, but it doesn't go up my hips. Like, it just stops in my hip area. So this one is definitely so pretty. When I got this in the mail, I was so excited to wear it, but it does not fit. So if you're a little bit tinier than me, definitely buy it because it is such a beautiful skirt. Now that summer's coming, it's gonna be even better. Okay, next one is this one. So beautiful. I love this color. It looks so pretty, but it's way too low V-cut for me personally. I'm a mommy, so I don't feel comfortable wearing these things around my son. So definitely you can go ahead and rock this. It's so pretty, but like I said, it's way too low V for me. So this one is another one that I'm putting for sale. Next item is this beautiful romper. It is so pretty, but you guys probably don't know this about me, but I'm actually 5'2", and this is a little bit way too big for me. So if you're a little bit taller than me, definitely go ahead and you will rock this. By the way, if you guys have a closet, please leave it in the comment section because wouldn't it be so cool if we all go visit each other's closet? So leave it in the comment section. I want to go ahead and go check out your closet to see what you have. But this one is a really pretty dusty rose romper. Love it, except it's just way too big for me. Next is this olive green crop top. Really like it, but I have way too many crop tops already, and this is definitely also really good if you want to purchase it and then during the winter you can layer it up because it is pretty thick. It does have like a little defect here. It like went undone here, but like all those little details I'm going to be putting in Poshmark so you guys can go ahead and know. So there's this one, and then I have an item that is literally brand new. It's this Champion shirt. It's in the size small, and it has the logo here, and it also has the logo on the sleeve. It's short sleeve, navy blue, just very simple with the logo. So if you guys are interested in this one, I will leave it also in the Poshmark and you guys will see it. All right, we have two more items after this one. This one is a dress, and it has like distress here and then also in the back. But definitely if you're a little bit taller, you can probably use it as a dress, but with leggings underneath, it'll look really, really pretty. So this one's all black, very, very simple. And then since we're talking about leggings, I have these that are sort of like leggings and pants. These are really pretty. I've never worn these, so these have never been worn. They're very, very, very stretchy, as you guys can see. Now these are size medium, but if you are probably large, you can probably fit into these, and then even small, you can still fit into these. So these are very pretty. You can dress them up or dress them down. And then last but not least is this dress right here. It's soft floral embroidery. As you guys see, it's all embroidered, all black. Really beautiful dress, except I just have too many floral things in my closet, so I need to get rid of some of them. So these are all the items that I took out of my closet. I will be taking out more items, trust me, as I go more down the road. I will be taking a lot more items out, so stay tuned for that. But for now, those are all the items that I took out of my closet. And if you guys are interested, like I said, just because I have an item that is priced probably way too high, make an offer and I'll probably just go ahead and take it, because I'm trying to get rid of all this stuff. Since I was decluttering my clothing racks, the closet, I figured I would start cleaning up my makeup boxes that I have, because I have way too much makeup. And you guys always ask me if I have ever done a Miss A haul, and if you're new to my channel, you probably wouldn't know, but I actually made one. If I can find it, I'll leave a link down below so you guys can go check it out. But I did choose some of the items that I have received, and I'm going to show you guys really quickly the items that I have got. But like I said, if I find the video, I'll leave a link down below so you guys can go check it out. The first item is this 10 color eyeshadow. Really pretty packaging. Ooh, look at those shimmery ones, except they're not so pigmented, as you guys can see. It's really pretty when you do finger swatches, but when you try to put it on your eyelid, it just like completely goes away. But I really like it. It looks really pretty. It's this one right here, and it comes with the spoolie on this side. And it also comes with the pencil on this side. The reason I didn't like it is because, as you guys can see, the pencil is not too thin or precise. I'm not a big fan of these, so that's why I still just keep it in the bin. And then some of this makeup that it's brand new, sometimes I give it away in giveaways. The next one is this Pro palette that I got. Oh my god, this is such a pretty palette. Love it. So many pressed glitters. You can really work with them, and they actually really do work. Like, I'm going to show you guys. Please excuse this finger right here, this little fella. It broke. I was trying to open a box and it just like flew away. But anyways, this one right here, look at that. Oh my god, can you guys see how beautiful that is? It's stunning. I love it so much. Really, really pretty. So this is another one that I got from that website. And then I also got this one, which is a little bit more for like Halloween, as you guys can see. But I got this palette because I usually just wear neutrals, and I wanted to step out of my comfort zone. But even then, I don't use it because I'm so used to wearing naturals and everything. A setting spray. Now, I really didn't like the setting spray because it kind of felt like hairspray. So that's the reason I didn't use it. But I got this one, and then I got these drops, which they actually do work. It's the custom enhancement drops, and these I think are like dupes for the Cover FX one. So I'm going to do some on the back of my hand so you guys can see. This one is in the shade Sunlight, just so you guys can see what they look like. Now this on your legs at night, ooh la la, girl, so beautiful, and it smells delicious. You would think that it would smell really, really bad, but it smells really delicious. It's just so pretty. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna wear this for my party Saturday night so I can just like be like a disco ball dancing everywhere. And there's this, which I don't even know what this is. I think it's an eyeshadow. Yeah, it's an eyeshadow. Look how beautiful that eyeshadow is. Oh my god. Let me try to take out some with this finger since I don't have a nail there already. It's kind of like a jelly. It feels kind of like jelly. So pretty. Look at that. I think this more for like a natural look. It will be so beautiful. Or using this and then glitter on top as a base. It'll be great. And then I have these two, which I actually have an orange one in my makeup kit that I carry like everywhere. These are actually really, really good. They're basically just glitters. Now the pin that it comes with, it's not the most precise in the world, but it definitely does get the job done. Like, I love these little glitters. I have these three, which are baked products. This is a baked highlight. When I did my haul, I did a swatch for this highlight, and I was like, oh my god, this highlight sucks. And then I got like a bajillions of comments saying that I had to scrape off the first layer. After I scraped off the first layer, this is what came out, and I was like, okay, now this is like really, really good for $1. So After I read the comment section, I was like, okay, so I scraped it off and it did a miracle. The next thing is the baked eyeshadow. I actually have not done the same thing for the baked eyeshadow, which I probably should. It'll probably work even better. I still need to scrape off the first layer and then we'll see if it actually does work. The next one I got is also a baked product, but this is an eyeshadow. Really pretty, except when you swatch it, it's not so pigmented. Oh, never mind. What the heck happened to it? It was not pigmented at all before. Okay, it probably scraped somehow because you guys see it's like flaking off, because before it was not this pigmented. I don't recall it being this good. As you guys can see, I love everything that sparkles. And then I have this one, which is the Base Magic Transforming Smoothing Primer. And oh my god, this smells like roses and it is so pretty. It looks like bubblegum or like some sort of slime and it smells so good. Let's see, I have three. I have three. This one is a mattifying primer. This one does not work. I tried it already. I was very disappointed with this one. But then I have two concealers. So my problem when I order concealers is either way too dark or way too light. I can never find one in the middle. It's just like concealers will never work for me if I try to buy them online. So this one is a new Instant Age Reset. Does that sound familiar? Yeah, it's a dupe for the Maybelline Instant Rewind Concealer. And it even has the exact same tip. As you guys can see, exactly the same. Except it was a little too dark for me. So I don't use that one. I got this concealer, which looked like a normal size on the website. And then I got it and look how tiny it is. Like, I can probably just get rid of this in like 4 uses. And then I'll be out of it completely. The other thing that I was so shook when I received, it's this one. It is the Skinny and Jumbo Dual Car Mascara. This side is a primer, because it's all white. It primes your eyelashes and it gets them ready for the second coat, which is the actual mascara, which is this one right here. This will make your lashes so long, not only long but also volume, because you don't want just your lashes to be long, you want them to be very fluffy and with volume, if that makes any sense. So this mascara is really good. And another one I have is this Layada Metal Matte Lipstick. These are dupes for the Kylie ones, as you guys can see. Then I got these lashes by Underground right here. And then I have this, which is a really good palette. It's the Meat Matte palette, and it's a dupe for the one from the Balm Cosmetics. As you can see, that's really pretty. And then I have one more item that I got, and I have been using a lot. I no longer use it anymore, as you guys can see, but I used this puppy every single bit that I could use it. I liked it so much. It was so good, so good. So these are all the items that I decluttered from SA. I just wanted to do like a quick little haul since I was already at it and I had already decluttered a lot of things, because like I said, you guys always ask me if I have ever done a haul from SA, and I have. So I thought I'll show you guys really quickly what I did get from that website and what kind of worked for me and what kind of didn't. And what else could I show you guys? I think that's like it. Oh, I can give you guys a sneak peek of something that I'm going to put in my beauty room and make kind of like a vanity. I don't know a vanity. That little piece right there is what you can consider my vanity, but I'm trying to work on making one. And these pieces that I'm about to give you guys a glimpse of are so beautiful, and I cannot wait to put on my makeup in here. So I can give you guys a sneak peek with this one. It's this beauty right here. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I cannot get over it. Literally, look how gorgeous my brushes look on there. They're like pearls inside, not like little rhinestones. They're like pearls. Obviously not real ones, but how chic and pretty does that look? Oh my god, I am so excited to start like putting my makeup in here. Definitely, life is great, God is good. Because if you guys don't know, all of my makeup, I have to keep it here in my beauty room, and I have to be carrying my makeup on the go in a black bag that I have. It's like a bag that I also use when I freelance. So all my makeup I carry there, and sometimes I lose count of what I have and I don't have, because I have it all in drawers and I can't see what I have. So when I received all of these goodies, I was just like, oh my god, it's a dream come true. My dreams are coming true. I'm finally gonna be able to see all of my makeup products clear and visible and see what I want to work with. And I'm like, okay, I have these products that I totally forgot. So super excited. I can't wait to show you guys once everything is organized. And I think that's it for this video, guys. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little look of like the little haul, and then give you guys a sneak peek of what I'm going to be doing when I organize my makeup. And yeah, I think that's it for this haul. Do not forget to download Poshmark. It's going to be in the description box. If you guys want to go ahead and check out the clothes that I put, it's free to download. It's going to be in the description box. And I think that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on the next one. Oh, stay tuned because I will be making a Wish mystery beauty box unboxing, and I'm excited for that because I want to know what's in it. So stay tuned for the next video. It will be that, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye! Make sure you're subscribed so you can watch all of my videos, and if you want to keep on watching more and more videos, make sure to check out yesterday's video. You are not going to want to miss it. It's amazing. Also, if you want to get to know me a little bit better, make sure to subscribe to that vlogging channel right there. And if you can't get enough of me, here is my Spanish channel, so you can go ahead and subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.